Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating hardware and accounts. Check that your phone has dual SIM or that you have a spare device. Back up your existing WhatsApp chats now so you can restore if needed. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Once done, choose the approach. Run both numbers on one phone via WhatsApp plus WhatsApp Business or use an app cloning tool. Make sure both phone numbers can receive SMS or calls for verification, because verification is the critical gate. Now install WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, or a trusted app cloning tool if you prefer one app instance. You register your primary number in WhatsApp first, follow the SMS or call verification, and restore the backup if prompted. Next, open WhatsApp Business or cloned instance and register your second number. Verify with the second SIM. Once both are active, configure distinct profile names and notification tones so you can tell which. Finish by tailoring each account. Set separate profile photos, notification sounds, and chat backup schedules so you keep chats isolated. Make sure auto backup is enabled for both accounts to avoid data loss. If verification fails, try restarting the phone, reinserting the SIM, or selecting call verification instead of SMS. Timing matters. If chats don't restore, update the apps, clear cache, and rerun the backup restore steps. Finally, test sending and receiving messages from both numbers to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.